Task 8.1, customer receipts from NatWest account. So we are going to enter the payment that we have received from our customers. So we have received 3 payments here. So I'm going to show you how to enter them in the VTTransactionPlus. Right. Let's go here, PNR, P plus R, as we know that. And for the income receipt, so we have to press 3 for it. 3, and the reference number 1, it's from the bank. By default it's selected NatWest, otherwise you can select the bank account. It is from the NatWestBank bank. So we have received that payment on 18th of June 2024. It is received from Biscorp Limited. The amount is 840. It is the payment that we received, therefore no VAT on it, and it is from Biscorp. No VAT, and it's from customer payment. Select customer, and it is from Biscorp. Right, payment received. Save it. Next one, again we received the payment from it's 10th of July to 10th of July 2024, and it is received from Mr. A. Patel, right, and the amount is 660. Received, no VAT because it's a payment. Next one, it is again the receipt, so number 3, and it is on 05th August 2024, and it is from Global Consultants, and it is for 10,300. Again, it's a customer payment. That's it. So you can save them. Okay, this is how you enter the receipts.